Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I am Jessica, and I am very happy you are here today. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. You are in a safe place to learn English.
Hello, everyone. I am David. Thank you for spending your time with us. You are doing something good for yourself.
Yes, really good. Learning English is not easy, but you are trying, and that is enough.
If this is your first time here, welcome, my friend. If you are coming back again, thank you so much. We feel happy when you come back.
Please remember one thing. You do not need perfect English. You can speak slowly. You can stop. You can think. Mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes mean learning. We are learning together.
Before we start, a small friendly reminder. If you enjoy this podcast, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want, share it with someone you care about.
Your support gives us energy. Thank you from our hearts.
All right, David, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very useful and very real. We are talking about shopping in English.
Oh, I like this topic because everyone goes shopping.
Yes, shopping is part of daily life. We buy food, we buy clothes, we buy small things for home.
And when we shop, we talk to people. We talk to the shopkeeper. We ask for things. We ask about price.
Sometimes we feel shy. Sometimes we feel nervous.
That is very normal. I feel nervous sometimes too.
But today, we will make shopping English feel easy, calm, and friendly.
We will use very simple English. Easy words, slow speed. You can relax and listen. David, let me ask you something. Do you like shopping?
Yes and no. I like simple shopping. I do not like very big shops.
Same here. Big shops make me tired.
So let us imagine a simple situation. You walk into a small shop near your home.
Okay. I open the door. I walk inside.
You see the shopkeeper. They look at you.
This is the first moment. Many learners feel scared here,
Yes, they think, what should I say?
but the answer is very easy. You can simply say, hello.
That is perfect. Just one word. Hello.
You do not need a long sentence. You do not need fast English.
Sometimes I also say, hello, how are you?
Yes, that sounds friendly and kind.
The shopkeeper may smile. They may say, I am fine.
And now the conversation feels warm, not scary anymore.
Exactly. English starts with small steps.
Dear listener, remember this. Shopping English is not about big words.
It is about being clear,
It is about being polite.
and it is about feeling comfortable.
You are doing great already.
Now let us move to the next moment. You are inside the shop. You look around. You see something you like, maybe a shirt on the wall.
Yes, I see the shirt. I like the color, but I do not touch it yet.
That is good. First you speak.
Sometimes my heart beats fast. I feel shy.
That is very human. Many people feel this way.
So I take a small breath and I say, excuse me.
Perfect. Excuse me is kind and polite.
The shopkeeper looks at me. They listen.
Now you can ask.
I say, do you have this shirt?
Very nice.
Sometimes I say, I am looking for a shirt.
Yes. That sounds natural and friendly.
When I speak slowly, I feel better.
Yes. Slow English is strong English.
If I feel shy, I remember this. The shopkeeper is there to help.
Exactly. You are not doing anything wrong. Now you have the shirt in your hand. You like it.
Yes, I smile a little.
But one thing is important, the price.
Yes, I want to know the price.
What do you say?
I ask, how much is this?
Perfect. This sentence is very useful.
The shopkeeper answers, it is $10.
Now you listen.
Sometimes the price is okay.
And sometimes?
Sometimes it is too high. I feel surprised inside,
Yes, that happens.
but I stay calm. I stay polite.
That is important. Politeness makes English soft.
I can say, okay, thank you.
Yes. Even if you do not buy, kindness matters. Now let us talk about size.
Yes, size is important.
The shirt is nice, but not your size.
I can say, do you have a bigger size?
Very clear.
Or I can say, do you have a smaller size?
Yes, easy and useful.
Now color.
Yes, color makes us happy.
I like blue.
So what do you say?
I say, do you have this in blue?
Perfect English. No hard words.
Simple sentences give confidence. David, what if I want to try the shirt?
Good question. Trying is normal.
Sometimes I feel shy to ask.
That is okay. But you can ask kindly.
I say, can I try this on?
Very good. That sentence works everywhere.
The shopkeeper smiles and says, yes.
Or they say, sure.
When they say yes, I feel relaxed.
Me too. It feels friendly.
I try the shirt. I look in the mirror.
And you smile. That is a great feeling.
Yes, because I spoke English, and it was okay.
Now let us move to a very common situation. Buying food.
Yes, almost everyone buys food.
You go to the market. It may be a small market. It may be a busy place.
I can hear sounds, people are talking, I can smell fresh food.
That is a nice feeling.
I walk slowly, I look around, I see apples.
Red apples. Green apples.
I want to buy some.
So what do you say?
I smile and say, can I have 2 apples, please?
Very good. That sentence is polite and clear.
I like using please. It sounds kind.
Yes. Please is a small word, but very strong.
The shopkeeper picks the apples. They put them in a bag.
And now?
I say, thank you.
Perfect. Food shopping English is simple.
Yes, simple words make life easy.
Now it is time to pay.
Yes, this part is important.
You go to the counter.
I stand there calmly.
You can say, I would like to pay.
Yes, that sounds polite.
Or sometimes,
Sometimes I just wait and smile.
yes. A smile is also communication.
The shopkeeper tells me the price.
You listen carefully,
I take out the money and I say thank you.
and the shopkeeper says, you're welcome.
This short talk feels nice.
Yes. English does not need to be long. Now, Jessica, let us talk about another moment.
Okay,
What if you do not want to buy?
that happens sometimes.
Yes, it is normal.
I can say, no, thank you.
That is very polite.
I smile when I say it.
A smile makes it softer.
Or I can say, I will think about it.
Yes, that is gentle and kind.
I do not feel bad.
And the shopkeeper understands.
David, can I say something funny?
Of course.
Sometimes I go shopping for one thing, and I come back with 5 things.
Me too. My bag gets very heavy.
As I walk slowly,
And I think, why did I buy all this?
shopping can be fun.
Yes, and shopping English can be fun too.
You do not need perfect English
Just calm and clear English.
and a friendly voice. Now let us practice together.
Okay, relax your mind.
Say the words in your heart. How much is this?
Can I have 2 apples, please?
Thank you. You are learning step by step.
Very good. And you are doing great.
Be proud of yourself.
We are proud of you too.
All right, let us take a calm moment and look back. Today we talked about shopping in English, not fast, not hard, just simple and friendly English.
Yes, we started with something very small. We learned how to say hello.
That first word is important. A simple hello can open the conversation.
Then we learned how to ask for things.
like saying, yeah, excuse me, or I am looking for this.
We also learned how to ask the price.
Yes. How much is this? Very useful, very common.
We talked about paying.
Standing at the counter, listening, smiling, saying thank you.
And yes, saying thank you is very important.
It shows respect, it shows kindness.
Remember, you do not need long sentences.
Short English is good English.
And calm English is strong English.
Now, my friend, it is your turn.
Yes. We want you to practice.
Think about this. You walk into a shop.
You see something you like?
What do you say?
Write your answer in the comments.
It can be very simple.
For example, hello, how much is this?
Or, excuse me, do you have this?
There is no right or wrong,
We read every comment with care.
and we feel happy when you try. You are learning English step by step,
Not in one day, not in one week.
little by little.
Please do not worry. Your English is growing quietly.
Like a small plant.
And every time you listen, it grows more.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us. We will see you in the next episode.
Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Keep smiling. Keep learning.
Bye bye. Keep smiling. Keep learning.